Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be comparing AdGuard VPN and Parallels. We want to see privacy and remote access. It's a face-off. Let's get started. We want to see which tool protects your privacy or remote work. This is the second battle compares security, speed and features. Are you trying to hide from hackers or access your work PC? Well, AdGuard VPN and Parallels solve very different problems. Let's compare them. When it comes to their purpose, AdGuard VPN helps to hide your IP, while Parallels Access helps for remote computer control. So the winner, they are both different. When it comes to speed, AdGuard VPN has fast browsing, while Parallels Access has lag-free remote access, which is good, so it's a tie. When it comes to security, AdGuard VPN has a no logs policy, while Parallels Access has TLS encryption. It's another tie. When it comes to what they are best for, AdGuard VPN is best for privacy nerds, while Parallels Access is best for remote workers. So winner, it depends on which you belong to. When it comes to price, AdGuard VPN you pay $2.99 per month, while Parallels Access costs $19.99 per month. So the winner when it comes to price is AdGuard. When it comes to devices, you can use unlimited devices with AdGuard VPN, while for Parallels Access you need 5 devices maximum. So the winner, AdGuard. So in conclusion, AdGuard VPN equals to invisibility cloak, while Parallels equals to your office in your pocket. If you want privacy, go for AdGuard. If you want remote access, go for Parallels. So team privacy or team remote work? Comment below. Smash like if this helped. Subscribe for more 1-minute tech battles. Don't forget to comment on which one saves your workday. Hope you found this video helpful.